plant kingdom, that is Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes generally treated as fungi imperfecti. So it is fungi imperfecti. Why it is fungi imperfecti means sexual reproduction is not found. Sexual reproduction is not found. That's why it is a imperfect fungi. So reproduction is done by, so reproduced by asexual methods, asexual and vegetative reproduction. The asexual spores are conidia. Asexual spores are conidia. Asexual spores are conidia, and mycelium is septate and branched. When this Deuteromycetes sexual reproduction is discovered, after discovery of sexual reproduction, this Deuteromycetes is placed into Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. So after known of sexual reproduction, it is moved into Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. Example: Alternaria. Next to Cercospora, Helminthosporium. So Alternaria causes of early blight disease in potato. Cercospora species causes of Ticca disease in groundnut. So Ticca disease in groundnut. Next, Helminthosporium causes of which of the disease? That is leaf spot disease in case of rice. Okay. Deuteromycetes, the third class of kingdom Plantae. Deuteromycetes, it is also treated as fungi imperfecti. Why? Because sexual reproduction is not takes place. Sexual reproduction is not found in these members. That's why it is a fungi imperfecti. Main important method is missing. Main important process is missing. Sexual reproduction. That's why it is a fungi imperfect fungi. Reproduction is mainly done by asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. Asexual reproduction mainly done by conidia. Asexual reproduction mainly done by the spores, that is the conidia. So conidia are the spores. Asexual spores are conidia. Mycelium is body. Mycelium nothing but body. The mycelium is septate or and branched. After known of sexual reproduction, the Deuteromycetes is placed into or moved into, that is the Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. Example: Alternaria, Cercospora. Next vachesi Helminthosporium. Alternaria causes of early blight disease in potato. Cercospora species causes Ticca disease in groundnut. Helminthosporium causes of leaf spot disease in groundnut. So this is about Deuteromycetes.